Hey guys, Graybeard Gardening here in Portland, Oregon. It's about to kick off for about 4 or 5 days of rain straight, and I just came home from work and found out. So I am going to go ahead and get some mulch on these beds here while it's starting to rain before it gets too bad. So come and join me, and I'm gonna get this done real quick before it gets too bad on the rain. You'll have to forgive me, guys. I'm trying to get this mulch on before the real rain comes because it's just starting right now, and so I'm hustling through this video, so my apologies. I'm not going to get as many good shots of all of this as possible, but you've all seen mulch before. I've got a straw mulch here. I'll get a close-up of that. It's a Gardenstraw sustainable mulch. It is organic, and we're going to go ahead and distribute this through most of the beds, not all of them right now because I still have some planting to do, but I'm going to get this through most of the beds so that we're kind of covered for the rain and ready to go here. So all right, we're in the safety of the doorway here, looking out towards my garden, and it is raining out here. We're going to take you out to show you kind of what we did here with the mulch. First of all, to kind of go over mulch for you, the reason I wanted to hustle and get this out here is because it does protect the lower leaves and stem and overall plant from getting splashback from the rain hitting the soil. So that was the number one reason I wanted to get it down now. Obviously, when it is warm and sunny, it helps with water retention so that you don't have to water as much. And it also will help reflect the sun during the heat so that the plants aren't getting as hot down in their root zone, so it keeps a cooler root zone along with the water retention. But there's lots of advantages to mulching, but those are the main ones for me. Also, I think it looks pretty. When you look around in this garden here, let's just start walking outside. But when you look around, it's just pretty, that yellow straw, that garden straw. And there are a couple different types of straw that you can get, and one of them is more meant for animals, for like hens and ducks and things like that. And I believe that it's not treated the same. So one of them will actually still sprout seeds or sprout from the seed if you use the wrong one. So make sure you're using the bag that I showed you there at the beginning.